Howdy everybody and welcome to another video with me. I'm Nick and this is London Creative. Merch available in the shop, link below down there, go buy it, support this channel. You can also support this channel with Buy Me a Coffee on Ko-fi. Also give this video a thumbs up and a like if it's helpful and useful and fun. And if you're not already, hit the subscribe button and come back each week for something new in London and or being creative. But for today, well, what are we on about? Well, about a year ago, I downloaded TikTok and then just sat and watched and scrolled and scrolled and scrolled and scrolled. But I've learned a lot of things. I've learned how to dance. Moving like I'm alive. I've learned how to do flow art painting. I'd all seen it, never knew how it worked. If you like it, it's available on Etsy. I've even bought random things like this because I didn't know I needed it, so I saw it on TikTok. That is all yours. Recently, the newest discovery is low volume books. This means notebooks and journals and even colouring books. I've discovered by watching Jennifer, who has helped me make this. That's it. Go on, you can do it. My journal. Just go on Amazon and look up my name and you'll see my book. This book. You'll also see this book and this book. These are self-published novels, very different in content. Space opera, weird fetishy kinky thing, and semi-autobiographical book about a photographer in London with a family, meet somebody. Well worth a read, well worth your time. Links again in the description below. But today we're here to talk about this. This is what I'm on about. My journal, my little, very simple book where you can write notes and have reminders and think little prompts to tell you what to write about. I've watched Jennifer's videos and followed along. I started by going into Canva and making a new journal, making sure that it was 6 by 9 inches and not the standard A4. Make it 6 by 9, then start by making a page, making the title cover page, and then maybe a back cover picture, a inside cover, which was that, and then gradually adding page after page and coming up with ideas and things to put inside it. Intentions, write your intentions for the year down. Inspirational messages, balloon. I took elements off of Canva's pre-added elements, dragged them in, found arrows, flowers, just added one into each page, used their pre-made page lines and did that. You can also do this in pages of Word and just make a document, make borders and take away the outside borders, just leaving the lines. Copy that as a PDF and make your page. If you do use the pre-made lines on Canva like I did, these lines are jagged down the side. You want to drag it out so that you lose that, because when you go to upload it onto KDP, it will say unfinished lines on the side of the page and it'll call up a warning like it did here. So, journal finished and downloaded a premium PDF. This is important. You don't just want a normal PDF, you want a good quality PDF. Then went to KDP, clicked on new paperback and followed the links. Uploaded the PDF, filled out the information, and then did a print check. You could then look at the template and work out, and this is where it comes up in flags, warnings and errors and so forth, like this, and you go through and work out what it is. The problem there is you then have to go back to Canva and adjust the pages, get it right, download the PDF again, upload that onto KDP and keep doing it until those warning signs at the side disappear and it says you're good to go. Then you click good to go and moving on to the next section. You set your price, then you do the description and click go. It takes 2 days to be checked over by KDP just to make sure you've not sworn in it and been abusive and told everyone to go die or something. Then they just send you an email and say you're live, and then you order yourself a sample copy so you've got it and you tell everybody go buy my book. Journal, really useful, really good. Just a little notebook, something where you can put good ideas or happy, even no, silly things, really simple. Simple enough to do, you could do it yourself, but it'd be easier if you just went and bought this, wouldn't it? So there you go, short, sweet, hopefully simple explanation. I've been asked how I did it and to explain, and you'll probably see some of this on TikTok. And if you like this and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, talk to me, tell me stuff, tell me what you like. Have you bought it? If you're not already, please hit subscribe. It will really help. I really need to grow this channel. You can really help by just clicking subscribe and watch the videos on a Sunday or not. But if you click subscribe, grow this channel, let's get up to at least 100 and then up. And I'll be back next week with more projects. Lots of stuff going on, lots of ideas as usual. In London, being creative. And until then, I shall see you soon. Bye. You're still here? Good. I'm packing up, putting stuff away, and I've just had a thought. You've watched to here and you've got past the end screen, you're waiting for the outros and the mistake and all that. So you're clearly dedicated. So I tell you what, I'll give you a copy of my book if you leave me a comment down below and subscribe and come back each week for more, so forth. And I'll pick a winner and send you a copy of the book. Right, I'm going to carry on tidying up because I've made a mess in here. See ya. Train of thought. In the tunnel. Lost. Gone. Where is it? All available on Amazon.